A simple ritual with profound effects. Have you ever heard of the practice of placing a glass of water under your bed before sleeping? It might seem like an old superstition, but this seemingly simple act has deep spiritual significance. Rooted in ancient Zen wisdom, this practice has been passed down through generations as a way to cleanse the mind, absorb negative energy, and bring emotional balance. If you often feel anxious, restless, or mentally drained, this ritual might be the key to restoring inner peace. But what is the real significance behind it? How does it work, and what are the scientific and spiritual perspectives on it? In this article, we will explore its origins, the wisdom behind it, and the benefits it offers. A lesson in mental clarity. In a serene monastery nestled in the mountains of Japan, a revered Zen master, Master Ryo, gathered his disciples one evening to share a valuable lesson. He told them the story of a young samurai named Hiroi, who was skilled in battle but tormented by doubts and inner turmoil. Seeking peace, Hiroi approached a wise monk and asked for guidance. The monk handed him a glass of water and instructed him to place it under his bed before sleeping. The next morning, Hiroi observed the water and reported back to the monk. "The water is still there," he said. The monk then told him to pour the water into another cup and asked, "What do you see now?" "The glass is empty," Hiroi replied. Smiling, the master explained, "Just as the glass can be emptied, so can your mind be cleansed. When we release our worries and let them settle, we create space for inner peace." This story encapsulates the essence of the water ritual, a method of symbolic purification, clearing the mind of stress and negativity. Why water? The spiritual and scientific perspectives. Water has been revered across cultures and religions as a purifier. In Buddhism, water symbolizes clarity, renewal, and the flow of life. From a psychological standpoint, focusing on an object like water can act as a meditative practice, allowing the mind to slow down and let go of chaotic thoughts. Scientifically, water is known to be a conductor of energy, which aligns with the belief that it can absorb negative vibrations from its surroundings. The ritual. Step-by-step guide how to perform the water ritual. 1. Choose a clear glass. Use a simple, transparent glass and fill it about 3/4 full with water. 2. Positioning. Place it under your bed, specifically on the right side of your body. 3. Mindful observation. Before sleeping, spend a few moments looking at the water, breathing deeply, and mentally transferring your worries into it. 4. Morning reflection. Upon waking, check the water. 4. If it appears cloudy or has bubbles, it is believed to have absorbed negative energy. 5. Disposing of the water. Regardless of the changes in the water, discard it in the morning and repeat the process every night until you feel more balanced. The psychological benefits. A mindfulness practice beyond its spiritual significance, this ritual can serve as a mindfulness exercise. Encourages presence. By observing the water each night, you develop awareness of your mental state. Symbolic release of worries. The act of imagining stress transferring into the water can be a powerful mental exercise. Promotes better sleep. Creating a nighttime ritual can improve sleep hygiene, reducing restlessness. What to expect over time? Many practitioners report feeling more at ease, with reduced anxiety and deeper sleep. Some even note that they experience vivid, peaceful dreams. While skeptics may dismiss the idea that water can absorb energy, the psychological impact of performing a mindful nightly routine cannot be ignored. The power of small rituals. The practice of placing a glass of water under the bed is more than just an old tradition. It embodies a deep spiritual teaching about mindfulness, letting go, and creating a space for inner tranquility. Whether you view it as a meditative practice or an energy-cleansing ritual, its impact on mental well-being is undeniable. Try it for yourself and see if it brings the sense of calm and clarity that so many have experienced. Sometimes, the simplest actions can hold the greatest wisdom.